So project for today, I just removed my 6.87 Pro Dash. This is a bracket I made last year, kind of mounts to an old school tack mount on my column. I showed a video and pictures of that. So today I'm working on an AEM 12 position switch, and I got a piece of sheet metal here, and I'm going to fab this up to fit on the side of the dash mount and have the switch right there that's reachable while I'm strapped in the car. So this is where I'm at right now. Obviously I have the two holes drilled that match the Pro Dash mount, and then the hole for the switch itself. But the tricky part is there is basically a plastic molded pin here for clocking. So obviously when you twist the switch, if we have a hole in the right location for that, then the whole unit's not going to twist. So I've measured everything up, and the attempt is, you can see where my scribe line is. I need to put an 1/8 inch hole on center there to match the distance center line to center line. So that's going to be my next attempt, and let's see if it works out. Here's how the bracket turned out once I cut it up and got the holes in it, painted it up. I'm going to add the sticker to it and the switch, and we're going to get it mounted in the car. Well, here's the finished mounted switch just to the right of my dash. Came off the back of the dash with that metal plate that I was building. It's really solid. It's also behind the dash a little bit, so it didn't stick out, especially when you're looking inside the car. You don't really see the switch. But the nice thing is, if I'm strapped in, you know, I can reach it, go to any position I need to once I set up my advanced tables. So track prep or whatnot, maybe they don't prep just before I run, so I can go to a different table, pull timing, whatever. But so it shows here, get a little bit of voltage jump, not bad, but each position, just like what shown in Devin Vanderhoof's video, that's where all this kind of came from. But yeah, now I just got to set up the tables for what I wanted to do. And but yeah, I don't think it looks too race car-ish. Be nice if the label was maybe black with silver letters so it hides a little bit more, but not too bad overall. But yeah. So here's what I think I'll start out with on my tables. Position 1, basically a boost timing offset. And then I did a position 2, which is additional timing offset if the track is really junk. You can see the voltage set up there based on the switch position. And then position 3, I did a boost increase. Of course, it'll take a little bit of playing to find just the right amount, but this is adding 3 pounds to whatever the boost curve is. And then I did a position 4 boost increase of 5 pounds, again, which stacks on to whatever the curve is. And then by, let's say, 2 seconds, I'm back to whatever the curve is, because, you know, most will be all in at that point, so I'm not stacking on top of that. If I got a problem, I'll just end up scrambling, or who knows, nitrous, whatever, I don't know. But that's how I have it set up. Table 6, which I have deactivated right now, I have no idea if this will come in, but let's say position 6 could be pump gas, so I don't have to change the tune. Of course, RPM, flow rate, I have no, you know, I just plugged in some numbers here, but toying around with that. Not sure if I want to do it though. And then I skipped going from position 4 to position 6, just in case, because that would be a really bad oops moment to have it in here on a big pass. But again, I don't know if I'll do that, so I have that disabled for now. But that's kind of my plan with the switch. I know somebody might think, well, why didn't you do a virtual switch on the dash? If I'm strapped in, I got my gloves on, the AEM 12 position switch will be really easy to just grab with the gloves and go to position and be done with it. So, but yeah, that's the end of the program or project here, and yeah, we'll test it out hopefully next weekend. All right, have a good one.